Thank you, Global Poetry and poet, editor Sheena Shivashkaran from Kerala, for having invited me to read a poem for Global Poetry. Let me read my poem from the collection Zero Point. The title of the poem is These Days I Do Only What the Heart Says. These days I do only what the heart says. These days I swim in the deep waters within. This is the vanaprastha emotive of the jungle inside. No, it's not living life. It's delving deeper into the world. Gloriously singing, glorious romantic song. You are too good to be true. These days I do only what my heart says. I warm up my hands with brewing coffee and the soul with the kaleidoscopic changes around. Brooding over my own fascination, happily parting with the ever-nourished austere Puritan gravity. These days I listen to my spirit, marveling perhaps there is someone at the other end, too willing to read, waiting eagerly for my outpourings to show on the screen. These days I just let time get inundated in the racy and energetic madness of a fleet-footed polar bear. These mornings I have the leisure to argue over the daily breaking news. I had the occasion to hear a confident smile and the wish to read messages from friends and strangers as well. These days, I am reaching a stage when I can dictate terms and life doesn't have much of a choice. Talking only blissful things, surrounded all the time by frolicking flowers and cool, tender moonlight and foam on a sea of frenzy, being quietly impatient, engaged in an eternal monologue, smiling at the innuendo and paradox of it, living in the moment's impassioned, uninhibited, a little flirtatious, a little mischievous perhaps, marveling at the flash of buzzing, inexplicable joy. These evenings, I have the time to water the plants without worrying much about the daily homework of my child or about the evening menu. I have the rider of leaving the kitchen to the cook, the roaring zippy to time, and the wind to blow whichever direction it pleases without my approval. These evenings, I can reach home late after a solitary long drive, following the tinkling windchime and the singing birds. Afternoons I can spend with friends, planning home for the homeless and pouring life-giving manna to the bowl of the lifeless. My friends say these days I do nothing much, nothing worthwhile, because these days I do only what my heart says. Smiling glorious like the Shakespearean heroine, sparkling wit, sharp mind, quick repartee and awesome energy, and of course governing the scene, living life of sensuous abundance under a star-spangled sky on the apex of the blue-green, waves with their vastness all around, breathing an elating air of sovereignty and bondage. These days I understand that no one can affront my spirit. Can the cuckoo slur the tranquility of the night, or the firefly dishonor the sun? Just because they sing or smolder? Disallowing myself the bliss of life, I have but piled up wishes galore in the alcoves of my being. These days my body understands its heritage and its equitable wishes. I know it will no more be swindled because these days I do what my heart says. My body is the judgment of my spirit, and it is me to bring forth engaging melody from the bemused chaotic sounds to it. These days I do only what my heart says, because the heart may weary, but it will never die. These days I do not try not to sound romantic as earlier, because my efforts to do so prove futile, as at some unguarded moment some word expression can show my true inner self, and I stand revealed. Only the heart speaks. No carrot and stick story, no rewards, punishment theory to induce manners. I am like a bird on the wing, soaring into the clouds, seized with a sublime feeling of ecstasy and the first flush of love, and looking down at the earth below, treating everything there as apparently insignificant compared to what my heart bids me do. Silence doesn't hurt me anymore, though I realize words have their own worth and necessity. Sometimes they don't have substitutes, and they have to be there in some form, oral or written. These days I speak and listen, the pursuit of silence is over. In this game of hide and seek, I am the prime mover, enjoying my occasional wild wandering spirits. These days I do only what my heart says. These days I live in uninhibited wishes and irresistible charm and unabashed confiding, while enjoying the occasional mood swings. No distinguishing between their quality and quantity, drinking words mouth agape. These days I speak and listen to life. These days I do only what the heart says.